Welcome to Barricade Rides, videos for motorcycle enthusiasts. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider subscribing to the channel and joining the family. We got a great video for you today. We got something cosmetic to install on the Road King. We got something to improve its security, as well as a new face shield for my Simpson helmet. So roll that intro and let's check out what we got for the bike. Alright, first we're going to go with the something cosmetic. So, got right here. So the forks, the axles on the forks are kind of ugly if you ask me. So I ordered something extremely cheap off of Amazon. I think I paid maybe $14 for them. And here they are. These go on the axles, and it covers up the bolt, and it makes it look less tacky in my opinion. But I'm excited to get these installed. So I've got two of them, one for each side. I had another set installed before, and I kind of just got bored of them, and I wanted to do something different for the bike. And for security wise, so I got a saddleman seat, and those things are extremely expensive. So I ordered a set of these to protect my bike, or to protect the seat and make it less likely for a thief to steal it. I don't have a garage, so my bike's undercover, so I worry about that, and sometimes I lose sleep over it. So right here is the Allen bolt. You can see in the center of it there's something that comes out, so you can't just put any Allen in there. Comes with this right here, so I can just put this on my key ring and it fits just right in there like that. So it's going to secure it. Then it's got a fancy little tab with the Saddleman logo on it. So I'm excited to get that installed on the bike as well. So both installs are going to be extremely simple, easy to do. Of course, I'll show you how to do it. And then we got the face shield from Mozilla. So I'm going to open this up real quick. Alright, it's the Simpson Speed Bandit Pin Lock Shield. Got light smoke. It's pretty gloomy here in Washington, so I didn't want to get it too dark. So alright. Nice, clean looking. Alright, so let's start getting these installed. I got my Simpson Speed Bandit right here. So to take the face shield off, you lift it up, and then we got these little levers right here. You just pull it like that, and it comes off. And on the other side, same exact thing, but it's got this lock right here. You want to make sure it's in the down position. It's already down. And then you just pull that. And it comes off. So with this, I already have the pin lock screen to prevent it from fogging up and whatnot. So all I do is put this end under my arm, pull it back like that, and take it out. So you can see I bend it like that, comes out. And to get it installed on the new one, just same thing in the reverse order. So I put this part right here under my arm, pull it, put it right in the notch. It's right there. And then I take the other one side and install it right there. And then boom, it's installed, nice and clean. I'll go ahead and pull this off. And then you can see my mask. It's not going to fog anymore. This thing is really incredible technology. It's been around for, I want to say the 80s, maybe even longer, but mostly overseas. And it's just recently getting popular in the United States. And I highly recommend getting a pin lock. So, put it back on the helmet, same lever. And it is okay to be a little rough with it to be able to get it in. You don't want to be too rough, but it's going to need a little bit of oomph in it to get it installed. Oh, boom. It's already installed. Took like 2 minutes to do, even on camera, so that is extremely quick. So I highly recommend this smoke lens. It looks good. But pin lock, especially in the Pacific Northwest, is an absolute must in my opinion. It sucks when you can't see, so you got to ride around with your helmet partially open. I've rode with my helmet partially open and got water in my eyes or a bug or something. It's not safe and it gets a little scary. So now let's install the rest of the parts on the bike. Alright, the first thing we're installing is the security bolt for the settlement seat. So you can see right here, someone can easily just come up, unscrew this, and take my seat. And then boom, my investment's gone. Now, got this, install that. Then we got this security screw, or bolt. Just install it with this. It's not as pretty as the original one, but I'm gonna definitely sleep a lot better knowing my investment in the Saddleman seat is safe. Alright, if you ask me, I think the axles, like, they don't look terrible. I'm just not a huge fan of them, and I like to have everything looking really good. So that's why I ended up getting the crowns. I think that's gonna look pretty cool on there, and with it being a Road King, I'm kind of cool with the crown theme. So I'm gonna put some Loctite on my threads real quick. With the Allen wrench that they sent with the hub covers, or the axle covers, just gonna start screwing it in a little bit. Now get it in place where I want it. Alright, that's installed. Now I'm going to install the other side, and I'll show you how it looks afterwards. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Help us grow this channel, this family, this community. And I really appreciate each and every one of you who's supported Barricade Rides since day one, or even today if you just started. And I also hope you like the 3 products that I installed on the bike and on my helmet. And I'll put the link in the descriptions. And got some exciting content coming up. And 2022 is right around the corner, so I'm really looking forward to seeing what Harley Davidson has new for their product line, their bikes and everything. And as always, brothers and sisters, stay safe and ride your ride.